everyone, this is Eve. Tonight I'm going to do another acrylic pour. So let's get started. The first color that I'm using is white. Just a little bit of it, actually. Place it at the bottom. A little bit of white. All my colors are mixed with Floetrol and water, and most of them have some silicone in them. The white does not. Now, next color is some light turquoise color, which I'm going to mix a little bit with the white. Just a little bit, like that. Okay, next is a darker turquoise color. Okay, and an even darker turquoise color. Actually, before I put on the darker turquoise color, I'm going to put some brown. And this brown has a little bit of gold mixed into it, just a tiny bit. Okay. Put a little bit of brown, not that much, just a tiny bit. Okay, now I'm gonna put, actually, you know what I wanted to do? Just like I mixed the white with the turquoise color, I want to mix my next colors together before I put them in the cup. So, do I have a clean cup here anywhere? I don't think so, but I'll use this cup with the brown in it. I'm going to put in the brown some red and some orange. And I'm kind of mix that together a little. Okay, not too much. I may even mix in a little bit of this cream color. Mix it in a little, not too much, and then pour that in here. Let's see what that does. Okay. So, before we pour that on the canvas, oh, I used my cream color already. I meant for my cream color to be on the canvas, so when I do the pour, it'll slide much easier. So let's make some more cream color. Basically white. It's basically white and gold is what this cream color is. Just a tiny bit of gold. Okay. We'll mix that together. It's a little lighter than the one before, but that's okay. This will help the paint move around a little easier. Okay, so now this is what my cup looks like. So let's just do a pour and see what we get. Okay, that looks great. Oh, let's not lose any of the paint. Yeah. Come on, you can do it. Okay, I think I've got every corner except for this corner. And there we go. This little corner here needs a little bit of paint. Other than that, that's interesting. Now let's apply some heat and see if we can get some cells. Looks like we got some cells. Okay, thanks for watching.